Does glass breakage claim increase insurance rates? Have you ever wondered if filing a claim for glass breakage will affect your car insurance rates? It's a common concern for many drivers. Let's break it down. When you have auto insurance, comprehensive coverage usually includes protection for glass damage. This means if your windshield cracks or breaks, you can file a claim. This coverage is often used for incidents like hitting a deer or dealing with falling debris. Now, here's where it gets interesting. In many situations, filing a claim for glass repair or replacement does not directly lead to an increase in your insurance premiums. However, this can vary based on where you live and your insurance provider. Some states have laws that prevent insurance companies from raising rates just because of glass claims. For example, certain states requiring insurers to offer no deductible glass coverage, which can change how claims are processed. But keep in mind, if you file multiple claims, even for minor glass repairs, your insurance company might see you as a higher risk. This could lead to increased premiums over time. Additionally, some insurers have specific rules about glass claims, like limiting how many you can file in a year. From a practical standpoint, if the cost to repair or replace your windshield is higher than your deductible, filing a claim is usually the best choice. However, if the repair cost is lower than your deductible, it might be smarter to pay out of pocket. This way, you can avoid any potential future rate increases. So, while filing a single glass breakage claim may not significantly impact your insurance rates, filing multiple claims could lead to higher premiums. It's always wise to talk with your insurance agent to understand how your specific policy handles glass claims and any possible rate changes. This way, you can make informed decisions about your coverage and claims.